Hello, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Oh, where'd it go?
I like that one.
You do, huh?
Not the yellow one.
I like the little white one that's right there flying. These right there are babies. I bet you they'll probably change color later on. See the ones up here sitting? These three up here, those green ones?
Oh, yeah.
Those are actually the same color as that multicolored. So they're really, really pretty. And they're going to change color here probably by next year. And they'll have all those pretty colors on them.
I hope it has black color.
They don't like me. They keep running from me.
If you like me. Wolf. Only 6. My birthday party is on Saturday.
Your birthday party is, huh?
It's Saturday.
All right.
No, I'm 6 finally.
You're 6?
Yeah.
That is awesome. That's a good age to be.
How old is that bird?
I don't know. Birds, because they're small, I can never tell how old they are because they're too small.
I'm probably like 9.
Might be.
Yeah.
This way and see.
I wonder if I go away because they just go everywhere.
Hello, birdies.